Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're going to explore how to use text actions on ThinkBuddy. Let's start by assigning a hotkey for text actions, which allows you to activate it whenever you need it. First, navigate to Settings, and then click over to the Chat section, where you'll find text actions waiting for you. Now, go ahead and choose a hotkey that suits your needs by clicking in the hotkey box. For example, let's select Option plus B. Just like that, you're all set. Imagine you're browsing through an article and want to translate a section of it into Spanish. All you need to do is select the text and press Option plus B together. Text Actions pops up. Then choose Spanish Translation from the list of custom prompts you've set up. You also have the freedom to type your own prompt right on the spot. And that's pretty much it. Keep in mind that text actions can be invoked in any app you have open, whether it's your web browser or a text editor. Simply highlight the text, use your hotkey, and let ThinkBuddy work its magic. So, why wait? Join the ThinkBuddy family now. Make your workday smoother and more enjoyable.